Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you are new here, you are highly welcome, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. So today's video is going to be meaty yam balls. I have shared a yam ball recipe, but it's just just plain basic yam ball, so I decided to upgrade the recipe and I'm going to show you how to make these meaty yam balls. Oh my god, they are so delicious, guys. So delicious, you're going to love it, so keep on watching. As you can see, I've already boiled my yam and I have pounded it. Then I went ahead to add my grounded scotch bonnet with bell pepper and onion, and with my minced meat. Sorry, it's not a minced meat, I actually pounded it, but if you have minced meat, you can use minced meat. You can also pound it or blend it, whichever way works for you. And then I went ahead and added some spices and seasoning with a little bit of salt. Guys, make sure you mix it very well, because of that seasoning. Make sure you mix very well before you go ahead and start molding it. So here is a little tip. The quantity of bell pepper, scotch bonnet and onion you are going to use in your yam ball will be determined by the yam you are using. If it is a tough yam, you understand, then you should use plenty of it. But if the yam is very soft, then you should use little of it, you understand. In here I've got my eggs. I'll go ahead and add salt to it and curry powder, then give it a whisk before throwing in my yam balls in it. I've already heated my oil, and now I will start frying my yam balls. So guys, our yam balls are ready. This is the final look. To be honest, you guys need to try these meaty yam balls. They taste so good. You have to give this a try. So we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and if there's anything you'd like to see me make, please leave a comment down below, and inshallah I will try and film it for you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.